Alright, I want to start with the login. From the login, we proceed straight to the medical records, and we head to where we register the claims. You collect all the claims information here, and you click on register. Now all the claims appear here. You can search for a claims. Assuming I type a maker here, all the maker, all the claims registered with a maker will come out. So I can easily proceed to click on maybe this claims. The reason that he came, the test probably puts an amount and book. Now when you come here, everybody that has come for the day will show here. So these are the two people that booked for today so far. I can proceed on this and be able to pick the test he needs to do. He's going to do abdominal scan. I add. You can see it's added there with the price. I think I've added some tests on this claims before. Let me just delete all these tests. And so we have just one test for him. Alright, so I want to add other tests like urinalysis. Urinalysis. I want to add another test like malaria parasite. I add. You can notice all of them are coming with the prices. Now, after adding the test, at the account section, the names of people that have come are already appearing here. So when you click on here, each of them, you see what they want to do. You see the three tests I added for this client is here, 75. All I need to do is to pick his ID and proceed to enter his test at the account side. So I'll put his ID, which is 408. The name shows. Then I can proceed here to be able to look for malaria parasite that it comes to do. MP is here. MP is 1000, so he has 1000 to pay. He's paying by transfer. I add. Now he's doing another test, which is abdominal scan. Assuming my abdominal scan is 4000, and he actually has 4000, 3000 to pay. He's owing 1000, so he's paying cash as he add. Now we can still do another test, maybe like you can see that all the tests are added with prices. Maybe liver function test, assuming is what he did, and he has the same 7000 to pay. You also notice that when you add a test, it comes with the price in the system. Here I'll finalize and print receipt. This is how the receipt looks like. Notice here that there's a balance of 1000 based on what there's a balance here based on what he had to pay. Now at the end of the day, you can go to daily report and be able to see all your incomes for today. Now you see all the money that we have made for today. I had already done the test before. You see for each staff, you see the cash and you see the transfer. Now when you come here, you see the total amount of tests they have done, and here groups for you by departments like ultrasound departments, all the income, and here groups for you by method. You can see cash is here, you can see transfer is here, and if you have a different account that this money enters here, you can also have a grouping over this side that I've selected. Finally, you have the grand total. So there is a space for your expenses in the payment voucher. There are other reports. So in the payment voucher, we handle all your expenses. But I want to head straight to the investigations. So at the investigations, we already have the patient waiting for today. So when you click, you see the three tests he has to do. On clicking, you have where you can type. You can also click on your analysis. There's a template there for you to enter a value and save. Like a malaria parasite, you also click. If I enter that this test is positive, I save results. Now you notice that if you come here now, malaria parasite is no longer here because we have uploaded the results. At the end of the day, you can go to the main page and click previous investigations. You'll be able to see the malaria parasite that we have done. So you can print this test or email it. You can also want to change the prices of your tests. Here we have edit prices where you can make changes with the prices. Like this AB prostate is 8,000. I want to change this to 10,000 or 9,000. Once I type 9,000 and update, you notice that the price is changing to 9,000 immediately. This is the one I changed. So it's instant. So and here we have the templates for each of the tests. Your templates will be uploaded here, and each has a normal range. So the normal range, if you are not comfortable, you can click on here and make changes to what you want to change. Like you want to change the normal rate or arrange the template. Now finally, I want to go back to here. You can see that here you can easily make a bill or do a VAT sign. You are checking the patient, probably take a history on the patient. There's a space for complaint, history of presenting complaints. At the end, you save. Now you can still be able to give this patient an appointment. They come on a particular day, and the system will send him an SMS. You can actually send him an SMS direct. Your result is ready. Just type your message here and hit preview and send. It will preview and send. So you can actually give appointments or do follow up here. So at the end of the day, you can actually do statistics of how many people came. I want to start from the beginning of the month to just show to today. When you go down of people that have visited, you can see on each day the number of persons that have come, on each day the number of persons that have visited. So this gives you a statistics of what has been happening. So moreover, there are other departments like the inventory where you can do other things, but I just want to rush over to where you can manage your items. All the items in the pharmacy or in the store, you are using the syringe, and the pricing for the billing are here. If you click here, you can change here. This is selling price, and this is cost price, and this is the unit, which will be ampoules, vials, rolls, pieces. When you update, it goes. So it's very easy. Just click to make changes. Finally, on that inventory, you have a lot, but I just want to show us where we can have the stock balance of each of the items. As I click here, it brings for me the stock balance of each of the items. It's loading, it's going to come. So I want to say that the software is very easy to use. Oh, I need to choose a point. So we can see some. Let me just say I have a pharmacy. So at that point, let's go back to the stock balance. So it's going to give us the balance of drugs at that point to choose. The items at the store will be counted separately from the items that you are having at the pharmacy. So this is just what it looks like, the items. Now when you come down, you have a difference from the cost value and the selling value showing you the profit. Why we are having minus is that so many places at the cost value is 0, like here. So and the selling value is actually calculating more. So you take your time to fix your cost price and your selling price. There is more to this app, but I just want to end the video here. Thank you.